Verifying your bank account with Ahli Bank of Kuwait, Switzerland is an important process to ensure the security of your financial transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents needed for verification. This typically includes your identification passport or national ID, proof of address, utility bill or bank statement, and any additional documents requested by the bank. Step 2. Access online banking. Log into your online banking account on the Ahli Bank of Kuwait, Switzerland website. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one or contact customer service for assistance. Step 3. Navigate to verification section. Once logged in, look for the account verification section. This may be found under account settings or security settings. Follow the prompts to begin the verification process. Step 4. Upload documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review all information for accuracy and confirm your submission. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your verification request has been received. Once you have completed these steps, wait for the bank to process your verification. You will be notified via email or through your online banking account once your account has been successfully verified.